Hello, it's Dr. Granger from Acupuncture and Injury in Marietta, Georgia, and I've got a bit of a science question today, going back to Charles Darwin, who was a medical school dropout back in the 19th century. And basically he had a theory about the origin of species. And it went something like this. You've got a species that's small letter bees, and they're in a given environment. And for some reason, another species pops up that's superior, better suited for that environment. This species now is so superior to the others that it can no longer procreate with the others. And because this species, according to his theory, is better suited for the environment, it thrives and the others die off. This theory has been applied to men evolving from apes, which is kind of bizarre because men and apes coexist in the same environment today. A big problem, what I have with this theory is this individual just popped up randomly, according to Darwin's theory. But the problem lies in this. This is male, this is female, this is male, this is female. They can procreate. Who does this one procreate with? Whether it's male or female, you have to have another one pop up. So you need a male and a female to pop up in that same environment in order for this new species to procreate and make others. The problem with that is this. You need this species to randomly mutate into this one, into both male and female, not only in close proximity to each other, because if they're far apart, they can't procreate, but also at the same time. Now, if you have this species here mutating into this species here at the same place and the same time, that's not random. That suggests an agent. That's where we have cause and effect in science compared to a random event. To say the least, I don't think this theory is scientific, but it did have some social implications. And you've got to understand, Charles Darwin came up with this in the mid-1800s at a time where the slave trade was active. Also what's telling is the complete title of his book, On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection or the Preservation of Favored Races in the Struggle for Life. Let's let that last part sink in a little bit. Preservation of favored races in the struggle for life. I'm going to put forth that this is not scientific because it doesn't deal with cause and effect, and that the theory was put forth for social reasons, to put it in other terms.